When you toss a coin and when it is in the air, you cannot tell if it is a head or it is a tail. But when it falls down, you can clearly say it is a head or it is a tail. Now let's move on to today's video where we are going to discuss qubits that are called as quantum bits. We all know that today's computers works on something called as bit. A bit is either 0 or 1. But when we talk about quantum computers, they work on something called as qubits. A traditional bit is like a light. Either it is 0 or it is 1. That is, either it is in on state or it is in off state, representing 0 and 1. But a quantum bit is very interesting. As I gave you the example of a coin in the starting of the video, you all can see that when the coin is in the air, no one can actually tell if it is a head or it is a tail. But when it falls down, you can clearly say it is a head or a tail. Similarly, a qubit can be either 0 or 1 or both 0 and 1 at the same time. And this phenomenon is called as quantum superposition. Also, when two quantum bits or qubits are entangled with each other, a change in the state of one qubit will instantaneously affect the state of the other qubit, regardless of the distance between them. This means that even if the qubits are separated by galaxies, the state of one will always be linked to the state of the other, and this phenomenon is called as entanglement. So this is qubit for you guys. I hope you all understood what qubit is, and if you have understood, please like this video and share it with your friends. And also don't forget to subscribe to the channel because I will be posting a lot of awesome videos going further. Thanks for watching this video. We will meet in the next video. Till then, keep watching in this quantum world.